आणि आम्ही हे काम जे आम्ही ट्रेनिंग दिला टाइम बॉन्ड वर्का भितर आम्ही टाइम 18 महिन्या भितर हे 100 बेड हॉस्पिटल लेक्चर हॉलाचो जो टाइम आसा त्या टायमा भितर क्वालिटी मेंटेन करून हे काम आम्ही करून दितले.
नर्सी कमी आसात. आम्ही केन्नाय गेले जाल्यार नर्सी कमी आसा म्हणटा, स्टाफ ना म्हणटा, डॉक्टर्स ना म्हणटात. पण हे एक मागणे गव्हर्मेंटाक मिनिस्टराक हेजेर एक फास्ट हे डिसिजन घेवन बरे भाशेन काम ते करपाक.
In fact, Atat's health minister was saying that he is soon going to talk and try to increase it by another 100 or 150. I really commend his efforts because we need doctors and we need doctors as soon as possible.
It is so important to have a state-of-art institute, and the IPHB needs to be brought up at a different level. And I think till date, what was missing, I think with this institution, with this 100-bed hospital coming up and the facilities there and the type of doctors we'll get there, we'll try to make a change in society. We have several other projects coming up in the pipeline. I also assure you that today we have also laid the foundation stone in the presence of all the dignitaries and all of you for the lecture halls which were necessary. As you know, every time there used to be a complaint the condition of lecture halls is bad, and these new lecture halls will change the face of Goa Medical College. This is a part of the master plan prepared by the Chief Minister. We are now going to start a new program where we have a couple of days back, we spoke to a startup company which has got a lot of top people who have invested in this startup company for pre-breast cancer screening. And we are being funded totally by the Yuvraj Singh Foundation. Yuvraj Singh, a famous cricketer who all of us know, he is also a cancer survivor. This is one of the initiatives that we are taking forward as far as Goa is concerned.